Millions of jobs could change sooner than expected, but most people still don't see the biggest shift. The surprising question isn't whether AI will replace jobs, it's which careers remain valuable after the transition. Jobs involving routine paperwork, scheduling, and basic data processing are already being automated across many industries. Customer support changes fast. AI answers common questions quickly, but hard talks still need human care and good judgment. Many creative jobs aren't disappearing, they're changing. Designers, writers, and editors increasingly use AI as a powerful tool rather than a replacement. Healthcare is transforming too. AI helps doctors analyze scans and medical data faster, but patients still rely on human expertise, ethics, and trust. Skilled trades like electricians, plumbers, and mechanics remain difficult to automate because they require physical problem-solving in constantly changing environments. The biggest opportunity belongs to people who learn to work alongside AI. Those who adapt often become more productive instead of becoming obsolete. History shows that every technological revolution removes some jobs while creating entirely new industries that were once unimaginable. The future won't simply reward the smartest workers. It will reward those who continuously learn, adapt, and embrace new technology before others do.